Today I'm going to show you how I took my videos from looking like this to this. Oh gosh, this is worse. No, try it again. All right, that's more like it. No matter what camera you're using, whether you're using an expensive DSLR, your iPhone, or a literal potato, having proper lighting is going to take your videos to the next level. So by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how I set this up, where to put your lights, and a few of my recommendations for your own lighting, even if you're on a budget. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. All right, so the first step is going to be turn all the lights off. Okay, I guess you don't have to turn all the lights off, but you get the idea. So we'll start with our key light. Now, if you're new to lighting, your key light is your main light in your videos and arguably the most important. Now, you've probably seen those professional YouTubers with the lights that cost thousands of dollars, and those are really good, but they are definitely not needed to make your lighting look awesome. Actually, I found a really good deal that you can get on a key light for a grand total of $57. But wait, there's more. It's dimmable, you can change the color temperature on it, and it comes with a handy dandy remote. So you can see that the key light already makes a whole lot of difference when you turn it on. So here's a before and after. So for your key light, you want to place it at a 45-degree angle away from your camera. Okay, so I have a little diagram here. It's on Photoshop, so please bear with me. But here's you. You look great, by the way. Let's size you down here. So we have the camera right here. And you want to take your light and place it at a 45-degree angle right about here. But like before, it may be too bright when you turn it on for the first time. So what you want to do is you want to back up your light a little bit, or you can turn down your camera settings so that your light is not as strong. All right, so now that we no longer look like we're on the surface of the sun, it's time for our second light. So this light will fill in some of the shadows, hence the name. On our lovely diagram here, you want to place your fill light at a 45-degree angle on the other side of your camera. Now, for my fill light, I'm using a little RGB light that I got off Amazon. Now, depending on how dramatic you want your lighting, you can either have just a little bit of fill light, or you can turn it up a little bit so you get more of a balanced look. Now, your rim light will really help your video stand out. What it does is it actually separates you from the background. So we can see a little before and after here. It's not a huge difference, but I do think it makes your videos look better. Now for this rim light, I'm actually using another one of the RGB lights from Amazon, and I make it just a little bit warmer so it gives me a little bit more contrast. And for our diagram, I like to put the rim light at a 45-degree angle on the opposite side of the key light, so we have kind of a diagonal line here. So practical lights are the lights that actually show up in the frame. You might have a lamp, some cool RGB lights, a night light.
Now there's not one square inch of dark.
Or a variety of other things. I think the practicals just really add some life to your shots. And if you want to take it to the next level, make sure that your rim light is on the same side as your practical light, so you give the illusion that the light from the lamp is actually on your shoulder. All right, now for the fun part. Let's turn off all the lights and see what each light does. Sweet crackers, I'm blind! So first up, we have the key light, so we're not completely in the dark here. Turn on that fill light so we fill in a little bit of the shadows. The rim light to separate us from the background. And to bring it all together, we'll throw a practical light in there. Hey, if you found this helpful at all, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.